Status yung COVID-19 status ang state Meghalaya ke jungi kibalong ki case bathumai mata kasi the new case kilong total saufuar lagi saufuar ha is kasils kilong arbusan san gidi armed forces but arfo gidi kiway others Riboy district tangiway lagi armed force Southwest Garo Hills district idang Lightwood gidi from others West Garo Hills district there are 13 Gidi Khatlai, R gidi armed forces, but Khatway gidi ki orders. Kibala koit, haduk benda kasi, benda kasi, kibala koit, kilong sispa san punriu. Kibala recovered. East Castles kalong san fulai, Riboy district kalong Lai, East Garo Hills district kalong Nyo Pho Lai, West Jaintia Hills district Iway, but West Garo Hills district along Arpo Hendriu. One night, 2,487 which are sent for the testing till today, and those who are tested negative till today, they are 98,345. Those who are tested negative till today, they are 98,345. The number of tests, till we are waiting for the report or the result, there are 1,066. And the number of entrants coming from outside the state, till today, there are 33,880. Till today, the 8th of September 2020, there are 1,716 and the deaths are the 17 of them. Total active cases ke balong haduk benta ke ba balong baga daki saufu argut kiwi kilong ne iska sales arbusan hut kharwei kilong ki high risk ar ki health workers na po Bethany hospital san ki armed forces inyo ki ILI cases na Riboy district iwei ki na po armed force Southwest Garo Hills district kilong Lai West Garo Hills district kilong Khatlai R gidi armed forces iwei gidi returnee inyo gidi ki random sampling na po program bazar like gidi na po high risk contact